Hello, my name is Allie Cope, and I just wanted to take a moment to reflect and review my experience taking CIT 261, which is mobile app development at BYU, Idaho. This class was pretty difficult class for me. This is really only my second semester in the program. I came from Pathway, which is now Pathway Connect, and I had an associate's degree in business management under my belt, so I just jumped right into programming classes, and before I took this class, I had a little bit of experience with HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, but very basic. So starting even with the first week, there were a few things that were review for me and a few things that were new, and that was pretty much the last time that I felt confident in what I was doing. This class definitely made me stretch, and the way that the class is structured, it really stressed me out to start with an F and have to work my way up. But all in all, I'm really glad I took this class. It was a really good experience working with my group. Groups get really bad rap, I think, here at BYU, Idaho, but I learned a lot from the guys in my group, and they were very patient with me. Here's what my assignment portal looked like. I'm just going to show you a few things that we did here. So my first week, I got really into explaining everything and a lot of talking. And I had some good examples and some things like that, but compared to in the end, my later weeks I did better about showing my code and implementing things. Oops, sorry about that. Implementing the different things that I was learning, which all culminates in our master project or our big final project. So this was the weather app that I created. Let me just switch that so you can see it in a mobile view. As you can see, I was able to learn how to make this cool thing animate and pull all of this great information for all sorts of different areas using APIs and JSON. And I was taking other classes. I was taking specifically CIT 230. And by the end of the semester, we were learning things that I did in the first couple of weeks in this class. So I would strongly recommend that if you want to wait and take this class after you have a little more experience under your belt, it'll probably go easier. If you really are the type of person who like to jump in the deep end and really learn on your feet, then this is definitely the class for you. I learned a lot, and I learned how to learn in this class. I didn't have a textbook, and so it was up to me to find sources and figure out how to take the things that were listed on multiple web pages, W3 Schools, Khan Academy, Code Academy, and SoloLearn, and the Mozilla coding sites, to read all these different approaches, all these different things. And a lot of it went way over my head, but I learned how to pick out what I needed, and I've discovered that one of the best ways that I learn is by doing. And so even though this class was definitely a stretch, and it was hard, and it took a while before I really looked forward to it, I probably learned more in this class than any of my other classes, and it really kind of helped fire me up about the program of software engineering, and it gave me hope that I will be able to succeed in whatever job I get, because now I know that if something seems out of reach, I feel confident that I will be able to find the resources that I need in order to learn what I need to solve whatever problems crop up. So anyway, hopefully If you're watching this, then you're already committed and you're going to take this great class and you're going to love it. And if you're not sure, that's okay too, because you'll be partnered with a great group and hopefully they will have enough experience and they can help you guys can help each other muddle through together. So anyway, I enjoyed the journal activity, and looking back over my comments over the weeks, I started out so discouraged, and then by the middle, as I was getting it, I was so excited and so confident as I saw things really start to take shape. And I'm looking forward to what comes next. Thanks.